We want to turn our eyes back to the first alert forecast, Lauren, because we know that while it's been hot, we've got some showers and also a cool front that's on the way.
We do, and it's going to stall out and bring us some below average temperatures as we start the hottest month of the year. Can you believe it? We're already to August, and we've only had 3 days that have been 100 degrees so far this year. Typically, we see a decent amount of triple-digit days, but so far we've only seen 3. And one of the hottest days of the year was yesterday. 104 degrees is where we got to. The record high temperature for this date is typically around 106. That was the record high that was set back in 1986. Now let's go ahead and talk about what's happening as of right now, because things are already kind of sticky outside. 79 degrees is where you're sitting at outside of Dallas. It feels more like 83 because the dew point temperature, and that's going to be the trend moving through the day today. So the heat index value will be much above what the actual temperature is sitting at outside. 88 is where you'll be at 11 a.m., but it'll feel more like 95. 95 is your high temperature today, right around that 4 p.m. hour, but it'll feel more like 105. And this will be dependent on if we see a shower or thunderstorm move across the area. If we just see some sunshine, 95 is where we'll be sitting at 4, but if we do get a thunderstorm that'll pass through, those temperatures will be a bit cooler. Air quality alert in effect today, ozone action day. It's unhealthy for some folks, especially if you have any heart or lung related illnesses. It's advised to stay indoors for the entire day. You don't want to risk it. Now, I want to go ahead and talk about, again, we are looking at precipitation back into the area today as well as tomorrow and the next day. I'm giving us about a 50% chance for some showers and storms today. That's all due to a frontal system that'll be colliding into an abundance of moisture and, well, producing some pop-up showers and storms. You might be wondering, well, why is this happening? Well, we have a stalled out frontal system that'll swing across the area and kind of just hang out here, but we're pumping in a lot of moisture from this high pressure system that's over across the panhandle of Florida. It's pumping in all that Gulf moisture for our southern areas. Then this high pressure system that's over into Arizona is bringing us some wraparound moisture from the Pacific as well for our northern areas. So both sides will be expecting the chance for some pop-up showers and thunderstorms being triggered in the afternoon because of this stalled frontal system. Not seeing too much activity here across the Metroplex, but could see a pop-up shower soon over across our western counties. In the afternoons, where we'll flare up some afternoon showers and storms. As of right now, not looking at severe weather. However, some brief gustier winds and some hefty downpours will definitely be likely. Some of our areas to the north and to the east have the potential for some flooding concerns with any decent downpour. So just a heads up there. Make sure you look before you lock your car, because it will still be hot, even though those temperatures will be below average. Once again, 95 degrees is your high temperature today, starting off below average for the month of August. Continuing into the day tomorrow, 90 degrees is the forecast high. Temperatures stay below average until we head into midweek this next week. That's when things will start to climb, and that's all due to a ridge that will continue to build into the area. So we'll take the lower than average temperatures as of right now, as well as those decent downpours.